Chief guest of the evening, Mr. Bajaj, our President Ashwin Bhai Dalwadi ji, our Vice President Naik Sahab, my very dear colleagues, council colleagues, former presidents sitting over here, our government nominee Dr. Shyam Agarwal ji, who has taken special trouble to come and bless us here. Ladies and gentlemen, people from our regional councils, chapters and corporate delegates. Whom to thank? I took a cue from our icon of the year, Mr. Anant Krishnan. He says that today I am here because of my qualification, that is cost and management accountants. I thank the spirit, and I thank that being a cost accountant, it brings us all together here. I thank that spirit. I thank the comradeship. I thank the ability to come here. I'll just take 1 or 2 minutes. When this place was chosen as the next place to be taken for National Convention, we had a lot of debate as a convener also, and it was felt that it is a very difficult place to navigate because you have to come by road for 3 to 4 hours. Our President very calmly but very consistently kept on this thing that let us do it there. I think he had a special place for Statue of Unity over here, and then somehow, despite all the debates, etc., it was, ladies and gentlemen, it was a huge budget to come here, and it was, during the debates, it was mentioned by President himself that let us keep this convention as a hardcore, raw, professional debate. And that's all. So whosoever will come here will be of a top quality persons, and they will be coming here. And lo and behold, we had to stop the registration around a week back when we had our full quota achieved around a week back. Total budget sponsorships achieved. So I take this opportunity to thank the able leadership of our Secretary, Dr. Kaushik Banerjee and his team, and all my colleagues from the Institute who really worked day and night, and then could see that this very difficult feat was achieved. I wanted, first of all, to thank Bajaj Sahab for his very deep research and his very pleasant visuals along with that, and he has left great thoughts with us. And I am sure, friends, that coming 2 days, you will be experiencing the same things. The speakers will be debating on hardcore professional activities and hardcore professional realities which our profession is nowadays facing. And out of that, with your participation, we will be coming at some reasonable conclusions as to what to present to the government and to the other stakeholders in this profession. Thanks are also due to our Vice President, who very painstakingly took the cause of the sponsorships and running around here and there. And I may not be wrong to say that this convention primarily has a lion's share from the eastern side. My 2 other eastern colleagues, Chittoda and Avijit, they really put in all the efforts to ensure that all the sponsorships happen. This convention particularly had some roughs and ups and downs. Basically, we had a lot of debates between the President and being the convener. And President had a very dream project of his, a very old copy of Outlook, Business Today. He had with him 20 years, and he will not give it even for photocopying. He'll keep it with him. It's a very old copy with him. He keeps it with him. And he had this in mind that we will present our profession as a brand image, and we have so many people who are at the helm of affairs. We have been today introduced to few of them. Mr. Anand Krishnan sir and many others are here, basically. And public at large must know that these are the people who have actually contributed into the development, into the financial developments of the economy and as well as these countries. We have heard Anand Krishnan Sahab, we have heard Bajaj Sahab on his all areas. So very painstakingly, he built up this issue of outlook. I can assure you, it has really, and our people from the institute who have done a tremendous job in ensuring that the people who have been, this is not the limit, I must say that the number of people who have been accommodated in this outlook edition, these are some of it, you can say tip of the iceberg. So I thank to all these people who with their own commitment and with their own hard work, who could reach and who could spread your profession, my profession, to the society at large. Thanks are due to the painstaking efforts of my all very dear colleagues in the council, who from time to time guided us all and who ensured that this program becomes a very huge success. I am also especially thankful to our government nominee, Dr. Shyam Agarwal ji, who has taken special trouble to come here, and he will be with us for these 3 days. Friends, you will be experiencing a gem of speakers during the next 2 days. The technical sessions details have been given to you. And we are also benefited by our all former presidents who will be guiding us during the debates which we will be doing over here. I once again thank you, our President, Vice President Bajaj Sahab, for coming here and giving us his guidance. And to all of you who have really weathered a long journey to come here. It's a beautiful place. And now the conviction of our President has come true that let us do it over there. And all our targets of delegates, etc., after having met, we are with very great and a very happy heart. We welcome you all, and we expect that all of you will be enjoying over here. I once again thank all of you. Thank you very much.